Welcome, my name is Mary. I'm from Minnesota, and this is Wildwood Health. Today, we're delving into the critical relationship between sleep cycles, our circadian rhythm, and the fascinating role of the human period 2 gene. The circadian rhythm is a 24-hour internal clock that regulates sleep-wake cycles, influencing various bodily functions, including hormone release, metabolism, and your mood. It's heavily influenced by external clues, particularly light. Now let's talk about the human period 2 gene, or HER2. This gene is a vital component of the circadian clock, helping to regulate our internal biological rhythms. It plays a key role in signaling when to feel awake and when to sleep. Research indicates that disruptions in the expression of the HER2 gene can lead to sleep disorders, mood disturbances, and even metabolic issues. Essentially, when our sleep schedule is inconsistent, it can negatively impact the functioning of this gene, throwing our circadian rhythm out of sync. A consistent sleep schedule reinforces the circadian rhythm, promoting stable HER2 gene expression. When you go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, you help regulate your body's internal clock, enhancing sleep quality and overall health. Number 1, set a consistent bedtime schedule, preferably before 10 p.m. Going to sleep early helps you sync with your natural circadian rhythm. Aiming for a sleep window before 10 p.m. allows your body to get into a deeper, more restorative sleep phase earlier in the night when cellular repair and memory consolidation are most active. Number 2, wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Waking up at a consistent time strengthens your circadian rhythm and reinforces the connection between your body and its internal clock. Even sleeping in for a couple of hours on weekends can throw off your schedule and make it harder to fall asleep on Sunday night. Number 3, get natural light exposure in the morning. Sunlight is a powerful cue for your circadian clock. Exposure to bright light in the morning helps suppress melatonin, the sleep hormone, and signals your body to wake up. Try to get at least 30 minutes of natural sunlight in the morning to reinforce your sleep-wake cycle. Number 4, avoid bright screens at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Blue light from your phones, computers, and TVs interferes with melatonin production, making it harder for your body to recognize that it's time to wind down. Use dim lighting in the evening and consider blue light blocking glasses or screen filters if you need to use electronic devices. Number 5, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Train your brain to associate certain activities with sleep. This could include reading, praying, or light stretching. Engaging in relaxing activities about 30 minutes before bed helps lower your heart rate and prepare your body for sleep, aligning with the natural decline in alertness that occurs as HER2 and other circadian regulators wind down. Number 6, limit caffeine or avoid it completely and heavy meals late in the day. Caffeine can stay in your system for hours and delay the onset of sleep. Similarly, heavy meals right before bed can disrupt sleep by causing delayed digestion. Try to avoid caffeine after midday and aim to eat dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Number 7, stay active but not too close to bedtime. Regular physical activity helps improve sleep quality and keeps your circadian rhythm on track. However, vigorous exercise too close to bedtime can be too stimulating and make it difficult to fall asleep. Aim to finish any intense workouts at least 3 hours before bed. Understanding the connection between a consistent sleep schedule, circadian rhythms, and the HER2 gene highlights the importance of prioritizing good sleep habits. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, please share it and subscribe for more insights. Sleep well.